from Brave class by the title The Importance of Support and Praise in Our Lives. The importance of support and praise in our lives. Laude Umar Hermansyah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Comfortable, Mr. Khaled Hossein, the founding father of Basic English course. Comfortable, Mr. Fuad Al-Mutakin, the director of Basic English course. Respectable, Ms. Renilda, the supervisor of active meeting. Respectable Brother Auli Amin, the chief of active meeting. Firstly, I would like to say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Secondly, I would like to say thanks to Muhammad. Thirdly, I don't forget to say thanks to Master of Harmony. Here I'm standing in front of you to introduce myself. My name is Laude Umar Hermansyah. You can call me Ode or Akla. Now I standing here going to share about my speech by the title the importance, support, and praise in our lives. As we all know, support and praise are properly in our lives. The support, these two simple words have the incredible power to transform or someone or ourselves who from where before they can to confident and church. However, support and praise have distinct difference. Support and praise from we before to do something or before we start. Someone giving us support for we believe we sell. Like me, before I standing here, my friends and my family support me because I speak today, and I here believe myself for speech in here because support from my friends. And praise comes to after we do something or to do successful accomplishment, and people or someone say praise for me. Like maybe after I speech in here, my friends and my family giving me praise. Like maybe someone say like you are amazing. Your speech is amazing. And maybe that praise from my I can learn from my speech. From my speech, I can learn about support and praise so important in our lives. because support and praise are important in our lives, so we need support and praise. After I speech, maybe my family and friends giving me a praise. Maybe you can say my speech my speech is good. So the last I say, thank you for all, and thank you for all. What? The last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.